In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add Spanish dictionary to your iPhone keyboard. You can simply add Spanish to English dictionary on your keyboard in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings, select General. Then scroll down onto the option of Dictionary. You will have to scroll until you find the Spanish to English dictionary. It can be any other language. There are over 180 different languages. On the Spanish to English, just tap on it and it will start to download. When enabled, your iPhone keyboard will provide English words in Spanish. You can either use English or Spanish on your keyboard at the same time. That's how easy it is to enable Spanish to English dictionary on your iPhone keyboard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.